Hi, Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc. Did you know that the single most important thing you can do to preserve the life of your heating and air units is to change your air filters on a regular basis? In fact, not properly maintaining your air filter is the #1 cause of early failure in heating and air units. So, how often should you change your air filters? Once per quarter is optimal. You can set a reminder on your phone or write it in your day planner to remind yourself to change out those filters. Installing your own air filters is easy. Simply open the little levers, tilt the metal screen, and remove the filter. When you install your new air filters, pay attention to the arrows printed on the filter border. In fact, it's a good idea to write the date that you're installing the new filters on each one, just to remind yourself of how long it has been in case you forget. Where can you get them? Your local Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, or even the grocery store in a pinch. Also, you can save money and buy in bulk from Amazon or discount filter sources online. What type of filter is best for your home? We'll demystify filter choices for you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful homeowner tips. And remember, we're here when you need us. Call 865-583-3957 or you can book online at pipewrench.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.